It's not all that, but my friend. If you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks around you, you never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart, up your hands together, and He show you the way. He said, cast your burden upon me, those who are heavenly laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy load. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I